ticket and reserve for me only, okay? Okay, after 2 days of adventure, now our boat is arriving at Africa. At Africa, we can see a lot of animals here. We can see zebras, giraffes, and this one, the fiercest animal in Africa, the African elephant. Okay, there's another one over here. See, there are two, totally two. Enter the hippo pool. The hippos are very huge inside. Each of them is about 6,000 pounds. Okay, one is waking up, he's coming. Oh, really slowly move. There are totally two hippos over here. Okay, we see the third person climbing a tree and chasing by a rhino. Sorry, it is sporadic. We can't save them. We'll save them tomorrow. Okay, let's say goodbye to them. Goodbye. Look at these stone heads. Where are we now? Many stone heads over here. We are arriving at the scout tent. Let's keep silence. We don't want to be discovered. Okay, is everyone safe? The hand still here? Anyone lost your hat? If you lost your hat, please raise your hand. Anyone? You? Oh, you should go back and find it back by yourself only. We go back first. Okay, just kidding. Okay, if everyone's safe, now boat is ready to return to the dock. Okay, the dock is just in front of us. Give me 2 to 3 more minutes and our boat will return to the dock and finish our 3 days adventure. Okay, don't worry. Oh no, what happened? The door is blocked. The register ran away. Hold on. I think we have entered a place that is protected by the fire god and the water god, and seems now we are in bad trouble because we are trapped here and someone is getting angry. You can see the fire god is getting angry. Oh no, he is very, very painful today. To say goodbye to us, let's turn to your left hand side. You can see the baby elephant. Bye. See you next time. Okay, now boat is ready to return to the dock. Please remain seated with your hand inside the boat. Okay, by your hand, thank you. Okay, by your elbow, please. Hello, madam. Okay. Enjoy the journey. Enjoy the journey. Remember, my name is Eric. This is not my name.
Bye, baby elephant.
Please stop, then you can leave.
Okay,
we're done. Okay, 3 more seconds. 1, 2, and finally 3. Okay, my boat stopped completely. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Thank you. Okay, please use the middle or the back exit. Don't close the window. Mind the gap. Watch your step. Have a very good day in Hong Kong, Disneyland. Bye bye.